Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa man tabi'ahum bi ihsanin ila yawmiddin. Qala Allah ta'ala wa tabaraka fi muhkami tanzil ba'da a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Kuntum khayra ummatin ukhrijat lin-nas ta'muruna bil ma'ruf wa tanhauna 'anil munkar wa tu'minuna billah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidna ilma subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. All praises, thanks due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the creator, sustainer and the maintainer of the whole universe. As I recited the very popular ayah of the glorious Quran from Surah Al-Imran, being Surah number 3, ayah number 110. Allah Azza wa Jal says, Allah Azza wa Jal gives us a very huge and profound lesson through this ayah. Allah Azza wa Jal gives us the title of Khair Ummah. Allah Azza wa Jal actually says, Kuntum khayra ummatin ukhrijat lin-nas, that you are the best of people, best nation ever raised for humanity. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala used here harfi jar li. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not say minna. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not use harfi jar min. There is a huge difference between harfi jar min and lin and li. That means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to give a very profound lesson through this ayah. Suppose if I would like to give you an example. Suppose the best person from the audience is one kind of person. The best person for the audience, for the public, is completely unique and different idea. So that means when you say the best person for the people, best person for the public, that is the most important and imperative person for the public, who serves the public, who gives them something, who benefits the people. That means what we learned here, this ayah says that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala actually wants us to be more positive, to do the service for humanity. That means the Muslims' job was to be a benefit to humanity, to all the people. So what we come to know is actually a unique lesson. And Alhamdulillah, Jamaat Ahl-e-Din Jammu Kashmir has been doing this job, has been conducting great Islamic programs, Islamic conferences for creating the awareness among the youth, among the people, to reconnect the people to their Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to their Rabb. And Allah Azza wa Jal does not stop here. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continues and says that ta'muruna bil ma'ruf. We know that wherever there is honor, that always followed with a huge responsibility. The responsibility is there too in this ayah. Allah Azza wa Jal continues and says, ta'muruna bil ma'ruf wa tanhauna 'anil munkar wa tu'minuna billah. That means Allah Azza wa Jal says, you enjoy what is good, what is right, and you forbid what is wrong, and believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What we come to know is totally unique. We know the first and the foremost correct thing, truth, is the monotheism, Tawheed. That is the biggest thing and the basic foundation of Islam. That is the foundation, that is the basis of the Deen, Islam, essence of Islam. and essence of one's life. So we come to know our Nabi Rahmat sallallahu alaihi wasallam has beautifully practiced, delivered, preached, propagated the oneness of Almighty Allah, Tawheed, monotheism. And our Nabi Rahmat sallallahu alaihi wasallam faced a lot of turmoil situations, huge circumstances, very difficult situations. But our Nabi Rahmat sallallahu alaihi wasallam has done the job in the most beautiful way. Even though our Nabi Rahmat sallallahu alaihi wasallam faced a lot of difficulties, but Nabi Rahmat sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave the great message to all the universe, to all the world. So the correct thing is, and the truth is nothing but Tawheed. Tawheed is the basic, Tawheed is the foundation of Islam, of one's life. And we know Tawheed dispels all the clouds of ignorance. وَتَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْمُنْكَرِ. The munkar is what? Munkar is actually, the basic munkar is polytheism, shirk. Shirk is the basic munkar. Shirk is the worst of all the illegal and sins in Islam. First and the foremost, biggest sin in Islam is shirk. So we have been directed, we have been told that try to abstain from the shirk. So this is the basic message that we have been given by our Creator Allah Azza wa Jalla. Now, what the purpose of this conference, which is going to be held inshallah Rahman on 17th of July 2022, Sunday. That conference will be inshallah Rahman very unique conference, and the message of the conference is to spread Tawheed, to spread the great teachings and pure teachings of Islam in the most perspective and most beautiful way. That how our Salafus Salihin, may Allah be pleased with them all, have understood the glorious Quran and the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We have to also propagate that thing particularly. So we have to use their fahm, their understanding of the glorious Quran and the Sunnah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now, Jamiat Ahmadiyya Jammu and Kashmir has taken a very, we can say, positive step and a very huge, great step, that to create awareness among the people of this area particularly. And Jamiat Ahmadiyya Jammu and Kashmir have conducted this program, this conference at Nowshara Khiram. Nowshara Khiram. So this conference is going to be, inshallah Rahman, unique. Now one more thing, why Jamiat Ahmadiyya Jammu and Kashmir tries to take these encourage steps. It is mainly because that Jamiat Ahmadiyya Jammu and Kashmir wants to provide the basic, the actual thing of our deen, the Islam. So we have to realize that Jamiat Ahmadiyya Jammu and Kashmir wants to reconnect the people to their Lord. So we have to focus on it. One more thing, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Taha, being Surah number 20, ayah number 124 perhaps. Allah Azza wa Jalla says, وَمَنْ أَعْرَضَ عَنْ ذِكْرِي فَإِنَّ لَهُ مَعِيشَةً زَنْقًا وَنَحْشُرُهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ عَمًى. Allah Azza wa Jalla says that whosoever turns away from my zikr, from the remembrance of Allah Azza wa Jalla, he shall have a very depressed and difficult life in this world. We can say sukoon, tranquility, peace of the heart will be snatched. Why? Because we just turn a blind eye towards the paygam, towards the message of Allah Azza wa Jalla. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not stop here. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continues and says, وَنَحْشُرُهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ عَمًى. That such a person shall be raised blind on the day of judgment. So we have to understand properly this ayah, what type of message our Creator Allah Azza wa Jalla wants to convey. So one of the huge and popular messages of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is mentioned in Sahih al-Bukhari, Kitab Dawat, Hadith number 6407, 6407. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that masalul lazi yazkuru rabbahu wallazi la yazkuru rabba masalul hayy wal mayt. What a beautiful hadith, wallahi. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says that the person who does not remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who does not do the zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is like a dead person, and the person who remembers Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who does the zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is an alive person. So what kind of message our beloved Nabi Rahmat sallallahu alaihi wasallam conveys us? Very beautiful message. So we have to spread this message to all the humanity. And one more thing, that Jamiat Ahmadiyya Jammu and Kashmir has been organizing such great conferences. The motive and the purpose is only one. The purpose is to make awareness, is to create awareness among the youth, among the people of all the ages. So we have to be so much honest in this regard. We have to help, we have to support such conferences to spread Islam in the most perspective and most beautiful way. This was the message of this conference, which is going to be held very soon, inshallah. Anything that I have said has been wrong or offensive has come from my nafs, from shaitan, and anything that I have said is right and correct has come from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, comes from Islam. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala remove all the difficulties of the humanity. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us forgiveness. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the tranquility, peace of heart and mind. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us a huge success in this world as well as in the next world. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله لي ولكم ولسائر المسلمين. أخطأت مني ومن الشيطان الرجيم فاستغفروه إنه هو الغفور الرحيم. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.